Introducing Families in Canada, HHS4U, students will engage with sociological, psychological, and anthropological theories and research to analyze individual development, intimate relationships, and family dynamics, including parent-child relationships, providing a comprehensive understanding of the complex factors influencing family structures and interactions. The course will focus on examining the diverse issues and challenges faced by individuals and families within Canadian society, allowing students to explore the impact of cultural diversity, socioeconomic factors, and societal norms on family dynamics and functioning. Through the acquisition of analytical tools, students will develop the skills to assess the various factors that influence families, such as social institutions, gender roles, communication patterns, and changing family structures, enhancing their ability to critically analyze and interpret societal phenomena related to families. Students will explore policies and practices aimed at supporting families in Canada, gaining insight into government interventions, community resources, and social services that address the needs of diverse families, fostering a deeper awareness of the importance of social support systems in promoting family well-being. The course will promote the development of investigative skills, empowering students to research topics related to individual development, intimate relationships, and parent-child relationships, honing their ability to gather data, interpret findings, and communicate research outcomes effectively. By fostering a multidisciplinary approach that integrates sociological, psychological, and anthropological perspectives, students will gain a holistic understanding of the complex interplay between individual development, intimate relationships, and family dynamics, facilitating a nuanced analysis of familial contexts within Canadian society. Through active engagement in research projects, discussions, and case studies, students will deepen their knowledge of family dynamics, explore diverse perspectives on family life, and develop critical thinking skills that enhance their capacity to analyze and understand the complexities of family structures and relationships. Ultimately, the course will equip students with the theoretical knowledge, analytical skills, and research capabilities needed to navigate and comprehend the multifaceted aspects of family life in Canada, preparing them to think critically, communicate effectively, and engage thoughtfully with the social realities and challenges facing individuals and families in contemporary Canadian society. This course is comprised of 5 units and a final assessment as follows. Unit 1, Introducing the Family, Methodology and Theoretical Perspectives, 25 hours. Students will explore diverse topics related to families in Canada, identifying areas for research and inquiry to deepen their understanding of familial structures, dynamics, and challenges within the Canadian context. The unit will focus on honing students' skills in formulating effective research questions that guide their investigations, enabling them to discern relevant themes, issues, and trends pertaining to families in Canada and directing their inquiries toward meaningful and insightful exploration. Through practical exercises and assignments, students will acquire proficiency in recording and organizing information using various formats, such as note-taking, data mapping, and digital tools, enhancing their ability to synthesize and present research findings coherently and effectively. Students will engage in activities that guide them through the general research process, encouraging reflection and evaluation of their research methodologies, inquiry strategies, and communication skills, promoting self-awareness and metacognitive practices in the research endeavor. By developing the ability to locate and select pertinent information from primary and secondary sources, students will enhance their research competencies, learning to discern credible sources, evaluate information reliability, and extract valuable insights that contribute to a nuanced understanding of family-related research topics. The unit will provide students with the skills to assess various aspects of the information gathered from primary and secondary sources, fostering critical thinking and analytical abilities that enable them to synthesize, interpret, and evaluate data, contributing to a comprehensive and informed approach to researching family dynamics and issues. Through guided practice and theoretical discussions, students will develop a robust foundation in research methodologies, information literacy, and analytical thinking, equipping them with the tools and skills needed to conduct meaningful inquiries and communicate research findings effectively within the context of family studies. Ultimately, the unit will empower students to engage in thoughtful and purposeful research on families in Canada, fostering curiosity, critical inquiry, and intellectual growth as they navigate the complexities of familial relationships, structures, and experiences in the Canadian socio-cultural landscape. Unit 2: The Transition to Adulthood. 25 hours. Students will focus on cultivating the essential skill of academic honesty by diligently documenting the sources of all information generated through research, emphasizing the importance of ethical conduct and integrity in scholarly inquiry and communication. The unit will equip students with the knowledge and techniques to employ appropriate formats for effectively communicating the results of their research and inquiry, tailored to specific purposes and audiences, enhancing their ability to convey complex ideas and findings in a clear, organized, and engaging manner. Drawing from various theoretical perspectives on development, students will gain insights into explaining individual development across the lifespan, broadening their understanding of human growth and maturation processes from infancy to adulthood, and exploring the factors that shape and influence individual development. By developing skills in recording and organizing information and key ideas using diverse formats, students will enhance their ability to compile, synthesize, and present data effectively, facilitating the communication of research findings and insights in a coherent and structured manner. Students will delve into the assessment of research related to sex-based similarities and differences, as well as gender-based similarities and differences, engaging critically with the literature to understand the complexities of human diversity, identity construction, and social influences on individual development. The course will explore how norms, values, and expectations impact individual decisions throughout the lifespan, prompting students to analyze the role of societal factors in influencing personal choices, behaviors, and identity formation across different life stages. Moreover, students will examine the impact of current social trends, issues, and challenges on individual development, fostering a deep understanding of the dynamic interplay between societal dynamics, cultural influences, and individual experiences in shaping the trajectories of individuals as they transition into adulthood and navigate various life transitions. By integrating theoretical insights, research skills, and critical analysis, students will be equipped to explore and evaluate key aspects of individual development, gender dynamics, and societal influences on personal growth and decision-making, fostering a holistic understanding of human development and the transitional experiences of young adults in contemporary society. Unit 3: Intimate Relationships and Marriage. 25 hours. Students will hone the skill of locating and selecting relevant information for their investigations from a wide range of primary and secondary sources, enabling them to gather diverse perspectives and insights on intimate relationships and marriage to enrich their research and understanding. The unit will focus on teaching students effective methods for recording and organizing information and key ideas using various formats, ensuring that research findings are presented clearly and logically, enhancing the coherence and readability of their inquiries. Students will receive guidance on following APA conventions for acknowledging sources, emphasizing the importance of accurately crediting and referencing information to uphold academic integrity and ethical standards in research and scholarship. The course will delve into the analysis of how social norms and expectations can impact the establishment and sustenance of healthy intimate relationships, fostering an understanding of the societal influences and dynamics that shape relationship dynamics and interactions. Students will be equipped with strategies for recognizing, avoiding, and responding to different forms of violence and abuse within intimate relationships, empowering them to address challenging situations and support individuals facing abuse or violence in personal relationships. By exploring the complexities of intimate relationships and marriage through a sociological lens, students will gain insights into the multifaceted nature of human connections, the impact of cultural norms and values on relationship dynamics, and the importance of fostering healthy and respectful partnerships. Through critical analysis and reflection, students will deepen their understanding of the factors that contribute to the success or challenges in intimate relationships, enabling them to navigate relationship issues, communicate effectively, and build strong and resilient connections with others. Ultimately, the unit will equip students with the knowledge, skills, and tools to engage thoughtfully and responsibly in discussions surrounding intimate relationships, marriage, and interpersonal dynamics, preparing them to navigate the complexities and nuances of human relationships in diverse social contexts. Unit 4 Parent-Child Relationships, 25 hours. Students will explore the multifaceted functions of the family, gaining insight into how these functions are fulfilled across diverse family structures, enhancing their understanding of the dynamics and roles within different family units. The unit will involve an analysis of the impact of significant social and economic changes on the historical evolution of the family, providing students with a historical perspective on the development of family structures, roles, and relationships in response to broader societal transformations. Students will evaluate government policies and legislation aimed at supporting and safeguarding families, examining the role of governmental interventions in addressing family-related challenges, promoting well-being, and ensuring the protection of family rights and interests. The course will delve into the role of the family as a key agent of socialization, exploring how families transmit values, norms, and beliefs across various cultural contexts, historical periods, and religious backgrounds, shaping the social identities and behaviors of family members. Students will compare and contrast the roles of children within the family and society across different cultures and historical eras, fostering an understanding of how societal expectations, cultural norms, and historical contexts influence the experiences and socialization of children within their families and communities. An analysis of the impact of social institutions on the socialization of family members will be central to the exploration, enabling students to examine how institutions such as education, religion, and media contribute to the socialization process within families and shape family dynamics and relationships. Through critical inquiry and discussion, students will develop a nuanced understanding of the interplay between family structures, societal changes, governmental policies, and cultural influences on parent-child relationships, fostering a holistic perspective on the complexities and dynamics of family life. By engaging with diverse perspectives, theories, and research on parent-child relationships, students will enhance their knowledge, empathy, and analytical skills in examining the diverse roles, interactions, and influences that shape family relationships and socialization processes, preparing them to navigate and understand the complexities of parent-child dynamics in different societal contexts and cultural settings. Unit 5. Science and Technology. Challenge and Change, 15 hours. Students will delve into the foundational aspects of social change, examining how technological advancements serve as significant drivers of societal transformations, offering insights into the evolving landscape shaped by technological forces. The unit will focus on exploring the impact of technological changes specifically on Canadian teenagers, providing a nuanced understanding of how young individuals are influenced by and navigate the rapid developments in technology, communication, and digital culture. Students will analyze and articulate the broader societal implications of technological changes, gaining awareness of how these advancements shape Canadian society as a whole and exploring how individuals and communities are impacted by technological shifts. Through the development of research and inquiry skills, students will enhance their ability to interpret, synthesize, and analyze research findings, applying these critical skills in practical investigations that explore the intersections between science, technology, and societal change. The unit aims to equip students with the knowledge and competencies to effectively leverage social media platforms for advocating issues or causes they are passionate about, fostering a sense of digital citizenship, activism, and engagement in using technology for social change. Students will gain insights into how technology influences social behaviors, relationships, and communication patterns, and develop a critical perspective on the ethical and social implications of technological advancements in shaping contemporary Canadian society. By engaging with case studies, data analysis, and real-world examples, students will deepen their understanding of the intricate relationships between science, technology, and societal change, preparing them to navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by technological innovations. Ultimately, the unit will empower students to critically evaluate the impacts of science and technology on society, develop advocacy skills using digital platforms, and cultivate a more profound awareness of the role of technology in influencing social dynamics, thereby fostering informed and engaged citizenship in a technology-driven world. Final exam, 10 hours. The final exam, which consists of a rich task summative assessment, is scheduled after the course and serves as a culminating evaluation that integrates and consolidates the diverse expectations and learning outcomes covered throughout the term. The rich task summative assessment is designed to evaluate students' understanding and competency in the course material by assessing their ability to demonstrate comprehension not only through the final product they produce but also through meaningful conversations and observational activities, providing a comprehensive evaluation of their grasp of the course content. Through this comprehensive evaluation, students will be assessed on the depth of their understanding, application of knowledge, and ability to integrate concepts and skills in addressing complex tasks and challenges, encouraging critical thinking, problem-solving, and synthesis of learning outcomes. The rich task summative focuses on assessing students' ability to apply theoretical knowledge, analytical skills, and practical competencies in a holistic manner, reflecting their mastery of the course expectations and their capacity to articulate and showcase their learning through diverse assessment modalities. This summative assessment provides students with an opportunity to demonstrate their proficiency in critical thinking, creativity, communication, and application of course concepts in a real-world context, fostering a comprehensive evaluation that gauges students' intellectual growth and skill development throughout the course. By engaging in the rich task summative, students are challenged to showcase their ability to transfer knowledge, synthesize information, and communicate insights effectively, highlighting their capacity to apply learned concepts and demonstrate mastery of the course content in a rigorous evaluative context. By the end of the course, you will have achieved the following overall expectations. A. Research and inquiry skills. In this course, students will engage in the process of exploration by delving into topics related to families in Canada and actively formulating insightful questions that will guide their research, encouraging critical thinking and focused inquiry into family-related issues within the Canadian context. Students will develop their investigating skills by creating well-structured research plans that outline their approach, objectives, and methodologies for researching family-related topics, demonstrating the ability to design and implement effective strategies to address research inquiries. Through the process of locating and selecting information, students will demonstrate their competency in identifying and capturing relevant data, utilizing appropriate social science research and inquiry methods to gather reputable sources, and fostering information literacy skills and research methodologies. Students will enhance their abilities in processing information by effectively assessing, recording, analyzing, and synthesizing the data and insights collected through their research and inquiry efforts, demonstrating their capacity to critically evaluate information, draw meaningful conclusions, and synthesize knowledge for deeper understanding. The course will cultivate students' communication skills by emphasizing the importance of presenting research findings in a clear, coherent, and impactful manner, fostering effective communication of insights and discoveries related to family issues in Canada, and enhancing their ability to articulate ideas and conclusions effectively. Through reflection and evaluation, students will engage in a process of introspection and self-assessment, allowing them to critically reflect on and assess their research, inquiry, and communication skills, identifying strengths, areas for improvement, and growth opportunities in their research process. By developing strong research and inquiry skills, students will be equipped to engage in scholarly pursuits, analyze complex information, and effectively communicate their findings, fostering a deeper understanding of family dynamics, societal trends, and issues facing families in Canada. B. Theoretical perspectives on development. Throughout the course, students will acquire a comprehensive understanding of theoretical perspectives and research related to individual development, demonstrating knowledge of the various factors that influence personal growth, cognitive development, and emotional maturation. Students will explore theoretical perspectives and research findings on the development of intimate relationships, gaining insights into the dynamics of interpersonal connections, attachment styles, communication patterns, and factors that contribute to the formation and maintenance of healthy romantic relationships. The course will focus on theoretical perspectives and research on the development of family and parent-child relationships, enabling students to analyze the complexities of familial dynamics, intergenerational interactions, caregiving practices, and the impact of family structures on child development and well-being. By engaging with theoretical frameworks and empirical studies, students will deepen their understanding of the intricate processes involved in individual development, intimate relationship formation, and parent-child relationship dynamics, enhancing their analytical skills and critical thinking abilities in evaluating human development across the lifespan. Through a comparative analysis of theoretical perspectives and research studies, students will explore the similarities, differences, and commonalities in how individual development, intimate relationships, and family dynamics are conceptualized and understood within the realms of psychology, sociology, and human development. Students will be challenged to critically evaluate and synthesize theoretical perspectives, research methodologies, and empirical findings to develop a nuanced understanding of human development, interpersonal dynamics, and familial relationships, fostering a holistic view of human growth and social interactions. By demonstrating their understanding of theoretical perspectives and research in individual development, intimate relationships, and family dynamics, students will enhance their ability to apply theoretical constructs to real-life scenarios, analyze complex interpersonal relationships, and make informed insights into human behavior and social interactions. Ultimately, students will emerge from the course with a deep appreciation of the multifaceted processes that shape individual growth, relationship formation, and family dynamics, preparing them to think critically, communicate effectively, and engage thoughtfully with the complexities of human development and social relationships. Ultimately, by honing their research and inquiry skills and applying them to topics related to families in Canada, students will not only enhance their academic abilities but also cultivate a deeper appreciation for the complexities of family life, social dynamics, and cultural influences within the Canadian context. C. The impact of norms, roles, and institutions. Students will be able to demonstrate a comprehensive understanding of how norms, roles, and social institutions impact individuals at different stages of the lifespan, encompassing the influence of societal expectations, cultural values, and institutional structures on personal development and identity formation. By exploring the impact of norms, roles, and social institutions on intimate relationships, students will gain insights into how societal expectations, gender roles, and cultural norms shape romantic partnerships, communication patterns, and conflict resolution strategies within intimate relationships. The course will equip students with an understanding of how norms, roles, and social institutions influence decisions about family planning, caregiving practices, and parent-child relationships, fostering awareness of the diverse factors that impact family dynamics, child-rearing practices, and intergenerational interactions. Through critical analysis and examination, students will deepen their knowledge of the factors that influence individuals' decisions regarding family formation, child-rearing practices, and the management of familial responsibilities, considering the role of societal norms, cultural expectations, and institutional influences. Students will explore the complexities of family and parent-child relationships within the context of norms, roles, and social institutions, examining how societal standards, gender norms, and institutional practices intersect to shape parenting styles, family structures, and intergenerational communication patterns. By demonstrating an understanding of how norms, roles, and social institutions impact individuals, intimate relationships, and family dynamics, students will cultivate an awareness of the broader societal forces that shape human behavior, social interactions, and family structures. Through engagement with theoretical frameworks, empirical studies, and case analyses, students will critically evaluate the interplay of norms, roles, and social institutions on individuals, intimate relationships, and family dynamics, fostering a nuanced understanding of the social context in which human relationships unfold. Ultimately, students will emerge from the course with the ability to analyze, interpret, and apply knowledge of norms, roles, and social institutions to better comprehend the complexities of human behavior, interpersonal dynamics, and familial relationships within societal contexts, preparing them to navigate and engage thoughtfully with the diverse influences that shape human experiences and relationships. D. Trends, issues and challenges. Students will showcase an in-depth understanding of demographic trends concerning individual lives, encompassing factors such as population changes, age distributions, and migration patterns, and analyzing the impact of social issues and challenges on the developmental pathways of individuals across the lifespan. The course will equip students with insights into demographic and social trends and issues concerning intimate relationships, enabling them to explore changes in family structures, marriage patterns, and relationship dynamics, and develop strategies for effectively addressing challenges and conflicts that may arise within intimate partnerships. By examining demographic trends related to the family and parent-child relationships, students will gain a holistic understanding of family dynamics, intergenerational interactions, and caregiving processes, assessing the societal shifts and social issues that impact the evolving landscape of family structures and parent-child relationships. Students will analyze the impact of social issues and challenges on individual development, intimate relationships, and family dynamics, developing a nuanced understanding of the complexities and interplay of societal factors that influence human behavior, relationship dynamics, and family functioning. Through critical examination and reflection, students will explore strategies for responding to challenges in intimate relationships, navigating the complexities of partnership dynamics, communication barriers, and conflict resolution, and developing skills for fostering healthier, more resilient relationships. By demonstrating an understanding of demographic trends, social issues, and challenges related to individuals, intimate relationships, and family dynamics, students will develop a comprehensive perspective on the sociocultural factors influencing human experiences, emotions, and relationships. Through practical applications of their knowledge and insights, students will be able to evaluate demographic trends, social issues, and challenges that impact individuals, relationships, and familial structures, developing strategies for responding effectively to interpersonal conflicts, family dilemmas, and societal changes. Ultimately, students will emerge from the course with a deep awareness of the trends, issues, and challenges shaping individual lives, intimate relationships, and family dynamics, equipping them to navigate the complexities of human relationships, societal transformations, and interpersonal challenges with empathy, insight, and informed decision-making prowess.